Yeah, fish on, baby! Hey guys, so today I'm going to be fly fishing again. What I have is a hand-tied little pink larvae here. I got a floating grasshopper. This is going to be my indicator as well, so if someone hits this guy, grasshopper is going to go down in the water. Let's give it a try. And then busting at the surface. So there's been too much disturbance with some people throwing rocks near that pool. So I don't think I'm gonna get a top water bite, but I'm gonna switch over to this guy. This is a little Thomas 1/4 ounce lure. One of the hooks is broken, but we'll see. I definitely saw some small fish in the pool. Maybe they'll hit this. At this point, if I get a fish, I'll be very lucky. So we're at another spot. We're gonna try put the fly over there, right where some bubbles. Oh! Damn. Oh, missed it. Yeah, fish on, baby! Woohoo! Yes! Nice! Nice fishy, nice little rainbow. Alright, we're gonna let this guy stay in the water here. Perfect hook set. Perfect. Right on the nose. All right. Well, there you go, folks. Big thumbs up. Finally, I caught it on the fly. On this grasshopper. They were hitting it non-stop. This one right here. Beautiful. So, quick little summary. I was able to get one rainbow trout on the grasshopper, which was great. Other than that, I've got no luck this week in terms of other hookups. So either way, I'm glad I caught that rainbow trout. It was a beautiful, wild rainbow trout. So give me a big thumbs up, follow, like, and subscribe.